Face value and place value story. Let's understand the concept of face value and place value with the help of a story. Long time ago, the world was a small place. Human beings, birds, and elements of nature coexisted in harmony and even talked to each other. On one hot summer noon, a farmer was working in the field. The unbearable heat made the farmer angry with sun. He scolded sun, "It's better you never show your face again." The sun was sad. He had selflessly moved around the world to provide light and warmth. Your face value is your light and warmth. Share it selflessly and you will be blessed, the revered sage had told him once. However, he was being admonished. He decided not to come out of his house the next day, as he never wanted to go through that level of agony again. Next morning, everyone slept till late, as the rooster did not crow. Finally, they knew something was wrong. There was darkness all around. Slowly, the cold increased to freezing point. Devoid of light, plants and trees withered. Finally, all representatives decided to call sun for meeting. The sun was dim due to grief. Everyone requested sun to reconsider his decision. The sun said, "What is my use? I disturb you from your sweetest dreams every morning." "No," said the farmer, who was feeling embarrassed. "How will I know I need to go to fields if I don't get the sign of dawn?" he continued. "With sunrise, we begin scouting for food," said the bird. The priest said, "And I open temple with your vision, my lord." The sun softened. "In that case, I should not generate the kind of heat which you feel in the noon." Having heard this, the cloud and river appeared suddenly and said, "Our existence depends on this heat of noon, and we ripen in that heat only," said rice. The sun was getting enlightened. He again reasoned, "The time between noon and evening is prolonged. I should go home directly after noon." The bird said, "But we need to know when to return home to our kids. We are guided by evening for this." Others too endorsed her view. "And we need to be prepared to search around for our prey." Tiger and owl spoke together. Sun still seemed confused. Then the sage spoke. "Dear sun, warmth and light are something you always carry. This is your face value." He further continued, "However, with the change of place, that is, east during sunrise, overhead during noon, and west during sunset, your value also changes. You are important for some at one place and for other at different place. This is your place value," continued the revered sage. You can't ignore your place value at any place or time. You are important everywhere, said the sage, and blessed the sun. The sun was happy now and blessed the entire universe again with its light and heat. Happy learning!